Hello everyone, let's get started. So you're going to need tape, some sort of fabric glue, brush, gold paint, glitter, lace, some sort of beads, Mod-Podge, and scissors. And let's not forget the shoes. So I just got some plain white shoes at Amazon.com. So I'm just checking them out right now. That doesn't matter, I'm going to cover it. Check my review on my Amazon page. So I'm using the painter's tape to just cover the white because I still want to keep that, but I'm going to paint the heel gold. So I'm using this vintage gold paint. I call it vintage because it's really old, but I'm using what I have. This took me a couple of layers. So here is how they turned out. I did add glitter. So once you're waiting for that to dry, you want to add Mod-Podge to the lace. So I started with the edges. I just want to make sure that the edges are covered so none of the seam comes undone. By the time that starts to dry, you can remove the tape on the heels. And get started with adding the lace. I'm just trying to figure out what side I like it best. So this part is all up to you and how you want it to look. So I'm using this fabric glue. So I just started from the bottom. From the bottom of the lace to the shoe right next to the heel. Kind of covering the seam. You just want to make sure it aligns so it doesn't look out of place. Then I did all the edges, but you just want to go ahead and secure the lace with the fabric glue onto the shoe. So the next step is just figuring out where you want to put the beads, gems, sparkles. So usually I just lay everything out and figure out how I want to lay them out before I glue them. Once that's done, I went ahead and added feathers. Thought about adding brighter pink feathers, but it kind of looked like it was more of a slipper, so I went against it and just decided to go simple and keep it with the light pink. So I did leave the lace on there, just tucked it in. Doesn't really bother me, but you can easily just cut that off. Yay, that's it. Well, there you have it. I used these heels for my flamingo party, and I absolutely love them. Thank you for watching.